أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First alphabets we completed already, alhamdulillah, from the alif to ya, alhamdulillah, and we are starting now second lesson number 3, that joint letters. Okay, differentiate this also alphabets but in different style. Okay, please, page number 4 open and start lesson 3, joint letters. Instructions you can read, please.
So
Yeah,
which one, brother? In the
page number 4,
lesson number 1, right?
lesson
No, I'm
1,
sorry, lesson number
2 after 2 3 lesson number start. Lesson number 3, page number 4, joint letters. Instruction start. In this lesson we will learn how the words are formed by joining alphabets. Okay, have your students identify every alphabet, identify every alphabet in a word. Okay, in actually this you can focus on this. We will also learn the different shape of practical letters. Okay, like this one, this also alphabets. Okay, but in different style. These alphabets but in different style. Okay, I think you understand now. Start from the instructions now. Lesson number 3, joint letters. Instruction. In the lesson we will which thing letters?
In this lesson, we will learn how the words are formed by joint alphabets. How the words are formed by joint alphabets. Have your student identify every alphabet in a word?
It's lam alif. In bracket lam and second is alif. But different style. Lam is half. And next one joint alif. Lam alif. Okay. Next one is actually lam plus alif. Okay. In next bracket.
Nice.
Okay, we will also learn the different shapes of particular letters. Okay, lam alif. Yeah, you focus
Lam
on this.
alif.
It's I explained for you already. This also alphabet
Please.
but in different style. Okay, yeah.
Okay, brother.
Please.
I think today it's my favorite lesson, brother.
It's mashallah.
I think today is my favorite lesson.
Mashallah, la quwwata illa billah. Barakallah feek, Sheikh. Okay, start from the first letter. What is the first letter? In
Alif.
Alif. In which color?
In that's 2 colors, so we're gonna say it's in a gray. We're gonna call this gray color.
Gray, black, gray. Okay. Next one.
Black. Okay.
Next one, which letter?
So we have we said
Color,
is the,
color,
no.
color. Tell me next letters. Color.
Purple.
Purple is lam. This letter was lam, but half lam was cut. Because we are joining with alif this lam and half lam. Okay, this lam is half style typing. Okay, but because after that we are joining the alif with this lam alif. This first is purple is lam and black is alif. It's lam alif. Okay, you don't
Lam
forget this. And next one, which letter? Which color? Next, which letter? Third. Next.
Oh, it's again
Lam. Again lam.
Alif.
Again, yeah.
Again lam.
Yeah, there's also alif, different style.
Tabarakallah. That's different style. You see how I understand?
If you find in Quran hadith, you will see in this, inshallah, this also. Okay. Yeah, please. Start from the beginning again. First letter which on this page?
Alif.
Next, continue.
lam alif, purple, lam alif, it's gray. Again, lam, it's purple, different style, alif, again gray.
Next one.
Next one we have ba.
Ba alif.
Ba alif. Wow. Ba alif.
Yeah. Next one. Which letter color? First is lam, purple is lam. Okay, and next one again alif, lam alif.
Alif.
Last letter is lam alif. Lam alif. Lam is in purple color and alif is black. Okay.
Lam alif. Wallah.
Lam alif. Next one.
I wish, brother. Okay.
Next.
So next one we have. Okay. So now we have full lam. Full lam.
In which color? In which color?
In a gray.
Gray, black, gray, same. Black.
I'm sorry.
Black.
Yeah. Let's say black.
There's all letters black in this page. Okay. Yeah, black. Gray,
black.
Black, same.
Black,
okay, no issue. From the beginning again. This practice required, please.
Yes, brother. Very required. I'm just trying to figure. Okay, so we have alif. Okay, we have alif. I'm just trying to write them down, brother. I need to write this down. Inshallah.
Continue.
I don't know.
Sometime repeat it.
Yes. I'm sorry. Yes.
Alif.
We have alif. Yeah, I was just looking right. I told to write it down, but I'm sorry, brother. All right. So anyway, we can do. All right. So we have alif. We have lam alif. We have lam alif. Ba alif. Again, lam alif. And we have lam.
Next, after that, lam alif again.
Lam alif again.
After that, lam ha. Lam is purple, ha is black. Lam ha.
Lam is purple.
And ha is black. Lam ha.
Yes.
After that, again, lam alif.
Lam alif again. And before that, it's lam ha.
Yeah, lam ha. After that, lam alif. And next one?
Again, after lam ha, again alif lam.
Lam alif. First purple lam.
Lam alif, I'm sorry.
First purple is lam.
Lam alif. Always let's say purple one.
Next.
Okay, now next. All right, this is. All right. Ba. Lam. Ba.
Nice explanation. Very interesting.
Really?
Mashallah, your understanding is good. Allahu Akbar, mashallah, la quwwata illa billah. Balamba. Next one. Touch to next. You are intelligent, mashallah. Touch to next letter. Go to next. All. Balamba. After that, next
letter. Oh, next letter. It's. Is this ba? Alif?
No.
So we have. I see. Okay.
Before letter.
I don't see dot.
Before.
It cannot be.
Before letter read now.
Yes. This must be kaf.
No. Before letter. Before of kaf.
Before kaf. It's a ba. Lam ba.
Okay. Next.
This must be kaf.
After that.
Alif kaf.
No, that's also kaf. Before kaf and this kaf. Same kaf and kaf. Same letter.
Yes, original one.
Same letter.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Same word but in a different style. Okay, kaf.
I'm getting excited, brother.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
First kaf, you, alhamdulillah, you understand good, mashallah. Good understand. You first kaf. This kaf and next one also kaf. And next one, purple.
All right. Purple. Okay. Purple, we have again kaf.
Nice.
We have kaf, ba.
Good. Next one.
All right. Now we have hamza on top.
No. That's also kaf.
Cough. Okay. That's a cough. That's not a kaf. That's a cough.
Kaf, same light kaf. Dots, cough, no. With two dots, cough is bold, but each cough is without any dot. It's light, simple. Kaf.
Yes, you're right.
Kaf.
Yes, kaf, different style. Again, different style.
Kaf ba.
Tabarakallah.
Kaf ba. Kaf ba.
Kaf ba.
Next one.
Kaf ba. Okay, now next one we have on the black it's alif. No, the black it's lam. I'm sorry, the black it's lam. And the purple it's ya.
From the beginning you can start again.
All beginning.
This page, only this page.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Our
this
target page of today's class, only this page.
Only this page today, yes.
Yeah, alphabets were completed.
Tabarakallah, brother. We're gonna take it slow. I want to take it slow and learn, inshallah.
Easily, very careful. Read, no issue.
This is a sign from Allah to give me strength. All right, we have alif, lam alif, lam alif. We have ba lam. We have lam alif. We have lam. All right. We have now lam alif again. We have lam ha. Lam ha. Lam ha. We have lam alif. We have ba. Lam ba. We have kaf. We have again kaf. Then we have kaf ba. Kaf ba.
Next one.
And now we have
from the beginning again.
Now we have
okay, no issue. From the beginning again.
Alif. We have alif. Lam alif. Lam alif. Ba lam.
Ba alif.
Ba. Oh, the fourth, number 4. Which one is that one?
Ba alif.
Ba alif. Okay, so I see now. Okay. Ba alif. The fourth is a different shape. Okay, inshallah.
After some pages, you will completely expert, inshallah, in this.
Absolutely, inshallah. I'm not writing, brother, because I'm trying after lecture, I'm gonna do something to write it down. Because if I know write it down, my memorization very weak. But inshallah.
No, mashallah, your memorization is very intelligently, alhamdulillah, very strong. You're an intelligent boy, mashallah. La quwwata illa billah.
All right. So we have. Okay, so we have ba alif. We have lam alif. Sorry, quick question.
Purple is lam and
quick question.
Black
you want me to? I'm sorry. Okay. So you see the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. You see the number 5. Do you want me to say first black or purple?
Purple is first, lam. Or next alif is black.
Lam alif.
Yeah.
So let's go. We have lam alif. Lam alif. Ba. This is the fourth one. Ba. Have lam. If we have, okay, then we have, okay, I know the ha. We have lam ha. Lam ha. We have again like the one on top, lam alif. ba, ba, lam, ba,
Nice.
ba, lam, ba. We have again, now we have kaf.
Mm.
We have kaf. We have again kaf. Then we have kaf, ba. Then we have again kaf, ba. And now we have ya. Ya as the first one. Ya.
No, kaf.
Ya alif.
Kaf alif, kaf alif.
Kaf alif again.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, different shape. I understand.
Kaf.
I understand, brother.
Yeah.
Kaf alif. Brother, if I stop a moment and I think about it, what I am reading, Allahu Akbar.
Next, please.
I don't have nothing.
Next, please.
Okay,
next.
Now we have another one. Okay, now we have. Okay, so we have again. That was kaf alif. This is again kaf. Kaf alif.
Kaf.
Another one. Okay.
Kaf is purple and alif is black. Okay, nice. In all letters, kaf purple. Sorry, first letter is purple color. In complete page.
Yes, kaf alif. This is the fourth row. Kaf alif. Then we have ba. We have ba, kaf, ba, kaf, ta.
Ta. Good. Ta. Okay.
Ta.
Book of ta. Next one.
We have ta, kaf, pa.
Ta, kaf, ta. Good.
Ta, kaf, pa.
Ta, kaf, ta. Ta, kaf, ta.
Ta, kaf, ta.
Next
Ta,
one.
kaf, ta.
Next.
Then we have ba. Then we have ba, ta. Ba, ta, pa. Noon. Ya. Noon. Ya. Then we have ba, alif. Ba, alif. Then we have one moment. Then we have alif.
No, before alif.
Alif.
In purple.
Yeah, that was ba alif. After ba alif. What is after
In
ba
center.
alif?
In center dot. In center dot. That. I'm helping you in understanding. Dot in center.
Deem.
No. Upper dot. Upper
No,
dot.
that's in center.
Upper dot. Upper dot.
Upper dot in center.
Center.
Let me. Noon.
Nice. Noon.
Allah.
Noon.
Noon. Yes, that's a noon. Tabarakallah. It's half noon. Wallah. Okay, so it's noon alif. Noon alif. Then we have ta alif.
Nice.
Ta alif. Then we have ta alif. Then we have two dots on the down. Two dots on the down.
Last letter of alphabet.
Yeah.
Yeah, have two dots. Bottom. Okay? Yeah. Don't forget it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have ba alif, ya alif, ta alif, ta alif. Then we have ya, sin.
No, ya have two dots, but in this one dot.
Yeah. Oh, that's ba sin. I'm sorry.
Mashallah. Good. Basin.
Ba sin. And then we have Yasin.
Yasin in Quranic surah name. Yasin wal Qur'an al Hakim.
Yasin wal Qur'ani Hakim.
Mashallah. Okay. Yasin. After Yasin.
Surah Yasin. All right. Then we have Tabarakallah. Then we have noon seen. Is it noon seen?
Nice.
Noon seen. Ta seen.
Good.
Ta seen.
Good.
Ta seen.
Stop
Then
for
we
this.
have
Stop for this for today. Just yakfi chaya. Only.
Yakfi. Tabarakallah.
Only this for today. MashaAllah. Okay.
My favorite lecture.
MashaAllah. Go to back now from the last letter. Go back now.
All right.
Yeah.
Alif.
No.
Oh,
Last letter.
I'm sorry. Last letter was
Reverse.
Okay.
Go to car reversed.
from ta or from ta?
Tasin.
Ta or
Tasin.
ta seen.
Last letter, 3 dots, tha in purple,
Okay.
and sin.
Ta.
Tasin.
Yeah.
Tasin. In this, from the last letter start. Tasin last.
All right.
3 dots.
Ta seen. Bismillah. Ta seen. Ta seen. Noon seen. Noon seen. Ya seen. Ya seen. Then we have ba seen. Ta alif. Ta alif. Ya alif.
Good.
Ya alif. Then we have ta alif. Ta alif. Then we have noon alif.
Good.
Noon alif. Then we have ba alif. Ya. Noon. Ta. 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 Ba. Then we have. All right, no, 1 second. Okay. Then we have. One moment. And okay, I just get confused on the first one.
First is 2 dots.
Yes, first with 2 dots. Wait a minute.
Of upper side 2 dots.
Ta.
Nice.
Ta. Okay, nice. Barakallah. Okay, then we have. All right. We have then. Ta. 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 Kaf. Ta.
Good. Next.
Before we have ba. Ba. Kaf. Ba. Kaf. Ta.
Barakallah fiqh before.
After that we have kaf alif. Kaf alif. We have again kaf alif. We have kaf ba. Kaf ba. Kaf. Kaf. Ba. Ba lam ba. Ba lam ba. Tabarakallah. Then we have lam alif.
Lam is in purple and black is
lam
alif.
is in purple, black is alif.
1 second, wait. Lam is black. Sorry, I was wrong. Lam is black. Because shape, focus on the shape of lam.
Shape, that's what I focus. Alif, no?
Focus lam shape which? Black. I was wrong, I think. I forget this. Lam. It's lam. Black.
Okay.
Before
so
it's
then,
after that balamba, and before balamba, what thing? Lam alif. Lam is black and purple is like inshallah in this only for teaching. In only. La haraj. No problem in this. Okay. Lam alif. Just lam alif in styles only. Styles teaching you. This book writer.
that's why I focus.
Book writer is only teaching you different style using in the alphabets. Okay, no issue if you don't focus on it, but don't forget this shapes only. Okay, yeah, lam alif just okay. Balamba and before
Okay. Then we have. Oh, this got me now confused. Okay, so now I think this is on top. It's lam.
Lam alif. Lam alif. I think purple.
Lam alif.
Okay. Before, please.
Okay, so the one like E, the one that is like E in English. What is
Lam
that?
alif.
Sorry.
Lam alif. Lion. I think lam is in purple and alif in black. Okay. Before this, ha.
Okay.
Before it.
Okay. Before
Huh?
before that, lam alif.
And before.
Before lam alif,
Huh?
ba. Oh, I know what you mean.
You start from the beginning on this page, please.
Yeah.
From the alif.
Ba.
From the alif now, please.
Okay. Alif. Lam alif. Which is lam, which is alif here in the second one?
First is purple, lam.
Okay. Yep. Okay. Alif. Lam alif. Lam alif. Ba. Ba alif. Ba alif. Okay, lam alif. Which is lam, which is alif here?
First is lam in purple.
First is
lam. Because in this page, all first letter in purple. And in this also, in this first letter is lam. Purple is lam. And after that alif.
Barakallah.
Lam alif. Yeah.
Barakallah.
Yeah, I am also human being. I was forget. No issue.
Yes,
but yeah,
of course.
no issue. Bilkul. And this is lam. First is I am teaching many students, many lessons, and my brain is in sometimes starting pain. And I'm hoping sometime I forgetting. No issue. But in this no issue. But in this page, you focus in every letter. You focus on every letter. First is purple letter. Starting every letter with purple letter. And in big calculation, lam alif, lam ha, lam bin, lam ba, lam kal, lam alif, lam kaf ba. Lam is first in second example. First is example and this second example. Also, we are in this first, it's final. Lam is first purple in all letters, in all. Okay, complete page.
Purple.
Lam is purple first,
Always.
after that alif. Yeah.
Yeah, brother, that's exactly how we are doing it. Barakallah. Yakfi.
Yakfi means finish. Can you want to
Yeah.
finish? Can you want?
No.
Allahu Akbar, my dear brother. Okay, from the beginning, this page again, please.
Okay, let's go from the beginning.
It's practice for you. Practice very much in class, because you are a very busy person in home and you have no any time in home. I am practicing, give you practice in class daily, inshallah. After today,
Inshallah.
I will give you double class, inshallah. Yeah, I will try give you double class, inshallah.
Inshallah, brother.
Again, start, please.
All right, brother. Alif. 1 second, sorry.
From the beginning, this page,
Okay.
today's page.
From the beginning.
Here's joining letters, okay? We explained.
Yeah.
Ye book writer was explained for me. Explained for you in instruction. In this lesson, we will learn how the words are formed by joining alphabets. Have your students identify every alphabet in a word, like in example lam alif, half style lam and half style alif in first bracket. After that is actually lam plus alif. Okay, we will also learn the different shapes of particular letters Lam alif, lam mim, lam alif, ba lim. Okay, this one.
Yes.
Yeah, it's used. We will use in Quran, inshallah.
Tabarakallah, brother.
Same reading as English alphabet. A P P L E, apple.
Exactly. Same thing.
Yeah. Okay, please start from the beginning. This page.
All right.
Today's page, please.
All right, bro. Bismillah. Alif, lam, alif, lam, alif, ba, lam. I'm sorry. Ba, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif. I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry. Lam, alif, lam, alif. Then we have, I'm getting confused in this one, in the one like E shape. Because it looks to me like ha. It's like ha. Alif ha.
Alif ha. Lam ha. Brother, lam ha. Lam first in purple letter. Purple,
yeah.
lam.
Lam ha. Lam ha. Lam ha.
Lam ha. Lam in purple.
Lam, yes, in purple. Then we have in purple again, lam, in black, alif.
Nice.
Okay. Alhamdulillah. Now we have ba, lam, ba. Then we have kaf, 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 ba, kaf, ba, kaf, alif, kaf, alif, ba, kaf, ta, ta, kaf, ta, kaf, ta.
Good.
Ba, ta, noon, ya, ba, alif, noon, alif, ta, alif, then we have ta, alif, then we have ya, alif, the one with two dots. I got confused before. Ya, alif, then we have ta, alif, then we have ba, sin, then we have ba, sin, then we have yasin, yasin, then we have inshallah, then we have noon, sin, then we have I'm sorry, then we have ta-sin.
Relaxation is must. Cool down. Yeah, no problem, no issue. Relax, read. Yeah, no issue. Yeah.
You're right, brother, but
please, non-sin. And next.
And then we have, if that was before, okay, you want me to tell you the last and before last now? Okay, we have, if that was alif, if that was, no, that was lam, the up one was lam ha, this should be, is this, brother?
Next letters, don't touch to next letter. Our lesson today,
okay.
Only this one.
Okay.
From from the beginning, one time again, this page.
But relax. Bismillah. We have alif, lam, alif, lam, alif. We have ba, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif. All right. We have lam ha, lam, alif, ba, lam, ba, kaf, kaf, kaf ba, kaf ba, kaf ba, kaf alif, ba kaf, ta.
Okay.
All right. Then we have ta kaf ta. Then we have ba ta ta, noon ya, ba alif, noon alif, ta alif, ta alif. We have ya alif, ya alif. Then we have ta alif.
Ta alif. Now. Naam. Good. Next one.
Ta alif. Then we have ba sin. Ba sin. Then we have ya sin. Ba sin, ya sin. Noon sin. Noon sin. Ta sin. Ta sin. And we have the
MashaAllah. Our today's lesson is completed. MashaAllah. Allah give you health. Allah bless you. How is your feedback today about today's class? Tell me.
Billions, trillions, tricadrillions stars.
MashaAllah. How you feel today's class?
Wallahi Azim, brother, I swear you by Allah, today better than anybody, because today I was very so today so now much better.
MashaAllah. Okay. Alhamdulillah. We'll start next inshallah in next class. And